one last look at the layout before we start dismantling it so that it can get its facelift. So there are a few old shots of trains running on the layout. And now we begin. So it's time to separate the modules. The first thing I've got to do is cut through the top layer of scenery, which is bonding them together. It's pretty easy at the edges here to see where the seam is between the two, but it's a little bit more difficult across the center of the module to see where that line is. And it's roughly in the middle here somewhere. I can see where the track joiners are on the other side. That's where the line needs to go for cutting. But rather than guess it, I'm going to get out my laser level and shoot a line from one side of the module over to the other. And other than a couple of places where the track was over the edge of the module, it came away pretty neatly. And now I can work on one module at a time.